Hello, this is Mark Oberly with Santa Fe Air Conditioning, and I'm going to talk to you today about city permits. In this area, if you are having a new HVAC system installed in your house, they all require us to pull a permit. The advantage to this is that you know the person doing the job is licensed and insured, because only licensed contractors can pull permits with the city. The other nice thing about it is that way you will have an inspector come back out after we're done to ensure the job is put in correctly and safely. And that's mainly what the codes are for, is to make sure the system is safe. If somebody doesn't come out to inspect the job after it's done, then a permit probably was not pulled. You definitely want to have a permit pulled and have it inspected, so if something would happen with the furnace that would cause some kind of damage to your property, that way your insurance company can't back out of the claim by saying you didn't have a permit pulled or that wasn't installed correctly. So this kind of helps protect you as a homeowner to ensure that everything was done correctly.